In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for career change research, fast and easy. If you're considering a career change, whether it's moving into a new industry or tapping into a fresh set of skills, Google Trends can be an incredibly powerful ally. It provides valuable insights into how often certain career-related terms are being searched online, helping you gauge the current interest and potential demand in those areas. So let's take a step-by-step look at how you can maximize this tool for your career transition. First, you want to navigate to Google Trends. That's as simple as opening your web browser and doing a quick search for Google Trends. You'll see it listed at the very top of the search results. Just go ahead and click on that first link. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, look for the Explore button. Clicking on Explore will take you to a page where you can dig into the nitty-gritty details of various search trends. This is your gateway to discovering how job-related keywords perform over time. Next, it's time to brainstorm. Think about the new careers you're considering, whether it's data analyst, UX designer, digital marketing, or cybersecurity. Jot down these job titles, skills, or industries on a piece of paper or a digital note. Now take each career option you've listed and enter it into the Google Trends search bar. Here, you'll want to pay close attention to the interest over time graph. This visual representation will show you whether a particular career path is trending up or heading downward, giving you important insights into the demand trajectory. After entering the term, press Enter to get a deeper view of the trend graph. This will show you exactly how interest in that career has changed over a selected time period. Speaking of time, don't forget to adjust your search by using the filtering options at the top. You can filter by location, setting it to your country or leaving it worldwide, and by time range. A 12-month filter is handy for gauging recent demand, while a 5-year range can provide perspective on long-term trends. Scrolling down further, you'll find related topics and related queries. These sections are treasure troves for expanding your research. Related topics can reveal industries or skills connected to your career choice, while related queries highlight rising searches like how to become a UX designer, which can give more direction to your career planning efforts. Checking these related queries and topics allows you to spot high-interest terms. You might want to incorporate these into your resume, or explore them as potential areas for additional skills or certifications. Finally, you can compare multiple career paths simultaneously. Simply click the plus compare button to add other job titles. This feature is excellent for seeing which career options are gaining traction, allowing you to make an informed decision about your next move. Now that you're equipped with this process, you're ready to make knowledgeable decisions about your career change using Google Trends. Good luck with your career exploration, and remember, the right data can make all the difference.